Okay, this house is beautiful. It's brand new, just got done being built. And let me share with you this beautiful, beautiful home that we're gonna make so many new memories in. So here is the front room. This is the living room. We're gonna make this into a sitting area and office. We bought a new sofa that will go probably in front of the window. That way Paige doesn't jump up and mark the window. This will be where company comes and we can do our work in here. All right, come on in. I love this foyer. Look at these wood floors. So pretty. Okay, this door goes down to the basement and we do have a room down there that will be Callie's, but welcome. Look at these high ceilings and windows. So pretty. So here's the great room. We'll have our fireplace here and the TV up on the wall. Love this. Here's the kitchen. We're gonna have a load of fun in here, you guys. I'm so excited. So of course, this is where the dining room table will be. I might get 2 stools that go here. We'll see. I don't know yet. We gotta change out the lighting in here to a white light, but I'm really excited. The only thing that I am not so keen about the kitchen, there's no knobs. So if it's hard after a while, we'll see, we might put them in. All right, we have tons of cupboard space, you guys. Look at this, oh my gosh. I am excited about this kitchen. This is quartz countertops. Oh my word. Look at all that space. I am really excited. All right, dishwasher, it's a Whirlpool. More cupboard space here. Oh my gosh. Look at all this. I mean, seriously, I am so excited. I love the corner window by the sink. I've always wanted something like this. The only bummer, it's 2 sinks. I really do love the full, plantation style 1 sink. Okay, so we have lots of cupboard space here. This is a gas stove. Even the oven is gas, which I'm not used to. Our old stove was electric oven, gas top. But look how beautiful this is. Oh, this is gonna be great. Lots of more cupboard space. The refrigerator is gonna go here, obviously. We are using our old one. We didn't end up purchasing the one that we looked at, not yet. We're gonna wait a little bit longer. Oh my gosh, this island is to die for. I'm so excited about it. Lots of covered space. I'm in love with the floors. But you guys, the pantry, are you ready?
It's a whole, it's a whole new world in there, Mom.
Oh my gosh, you scared me.
I'm waiting 5 minutes. I'm waiting for you to open up that door.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this pantry reminds me a lot of our old one, but it is bigger. Look at all the space we have down here. I am so excited. So lots of space. That's gonna be fantastic. So we have sliding glass doors that go outside. So from here in the kitchen, we have the mudroom. I'm so excited about this. So this is the garage door. And look at this, we actually have a hall closet for coats. We did not have anything like this at the old house. So I'm really excited about this. I would like to put some cleaning products in the vacuum in here. Okay, my favorite part, you guys, I am so excited. Boston, Jonah, Shaylee, yes. I wish there was 4 for Callie, but that's okay. So they could put all their shoes in here. I'm gonna get them their own bucket to put their shoes in, backpacks, coats. I am psyched about that. Okay, and then we have a half bathroom in here. I am loving this, loving this. So this is the mudroom and I am so excited about it. Okay, you guys, are you ready to go upstairs? Are you ready? Let's go. Oh, well, first, let me just share with you how beautiful this is before we head up. I mean, God, can you just stand it? I can't stand it. This is so beautiful. Can you imagine this at Christmas? Are you kidding? I can't wait. All right, let's head upstairs. Okay, the next best thing, you guys, laundry room is upstairs with all the bedrooms. 4 bedrooms up here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look, a finished laundry room. I think I deserve this. It's been a long time coming, seriously. So here is a bedroom. This is gonna be Shaylee's room. And then we have a linen closet here. Oh my gosh. So we have this linen closet. This is gonna work out really, really good. Let's go into Shaylee's room. Look at this. She is so excited about her room. She is excited to get her furniture in. She did get a few new pieces of furniture, so she's excited about that. Look how big her closet is. That is awesome. All right, so across from Shaylee's room is our room, but first, look at this view. And I'm afraid of heights. Don't touch me, Jonah. Yeah, no. So this actually scares me to death. So we are putting a table. Jonah! Oh my heck. So I am putting a table here because this literally scares the crap out of me. All right, this is the master. I'm not sure how we're gonna work our bed in here. We have a big bed. We're gonna try to get it to work on this wall. I think that's gonna be the easiest thing, but we shall see. So this is the master. Look at the ceiling. This is so cute. Okay, so, and right here is the master bathroom. Are you ready? You guys, I could cry. I'm so happy. Look at this. Hi. All right, look, I got a soaking tub. It's about time. Oh, my word. After we are done moving in, you know I'm gonna soak. And here is our shower. Yes, I'm so happy. Okay, so look, double sinks. I am way excited about this. In fact, I think I'm gonna make this one my sink so I can have the light behind me with my mirror and I can do my makeup from right here. I don't know, what do you think? I think that might work. So a nice big mirror, double sinks, really excited about that. We have a lot of storage space. Big difference from the old house, right? Oh, and the pooper room. I am so excited about this. I know, I'm gonna keep saying that, so excited. But yes, a nice private area. And then you guys, how long have I been talking about a master closet? Forever, right? Oh, check this out. Look at all this space. Oh my goodness. Oh. My gosh, I am so excited about this. You know what this means, right? The bedroom should always be clean now. So this is the master bathroom. Isn't this great? I am really excited about this. Okay, so let me share with you the other bedrooms that are upstairs. Okay, come down the hall.
Mom, I'm in here.
Here we have the hall bathroom. So the boys are gonna be using this bathroom. Shaylee may use the toilet, but we're gonna have her use our bathroom, the master, so that way there's no fighting. The boys have their space and she could be in with me. Okay, across from the bathroom is Boston's room. What did you say?
Now your debit card.
You want my debit card? No. So this is Boston's room. He's got a really good sized closet too. Exciting. Good space, Boston. All right, and last but not least, we have Jonah's room. All right, this is Jonah's room. Nice big space for him. And let's check out his closet. Oh yes, wonderful. Nice. You know what I love about these closets? The detail. I just think that is beautiful. All right guys, I'm really excited to bring you some new fresh content from the new home. We are so gonna miss our old home. We've been there for 13 years, brought home 2 of our children into that home. And it's really bittersweet. We sat down as a family last night and had a meeting about what we're gonna be doing this weekend with moving in and what to expect. And there were tears but you know what? We're gonna make some awesome memories in this house, and that's what's exciting. So we should be here until Jonah finishes high school. There's a lot more schools here and opportunity for him and the children and with their learning needs, and it's just gonna be better for the kids, and this is why we made the move. So, all right guys, thank you so much for joining me today on our empty house tour. Stay tuned for vlogs on moving and when it's all done. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't believe this is happening. This is weird. So thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you soon. Bye.